We're celebrating America's 250th birthday this summer, so I decided it was time to do something patriotic. We're seeing all red, white, and blue. I came out here to Carson's Nurseries. We wanted to show you how to put together your own patriotic planters. So I'm here with gardening expert Sue Wurtsema, also the social media guru here. Thank you, Sue, for doing this with me.
Of course.
Before we start doing our patriotic planters, what are the hot plants right now?
So we have roses flying off the shelves right now. We're actually getting another shipment tomorrow. Hostas are growing pretty quickly, as well as our sun and shade perennials. Those are our most popular plants here at the nursery. Also, a ton of our trees are just getting used up, flying off the shelves as well.
Okay, so let's get to our patriotic planters.
Yep.
What do we have here? And these are all perennials, right?
They are perennials.
Okay.
They're partial shade or partial sun or full sun. So they'll all have about the same sun and watering needs.
All right. And remind me, I already forgot.
Yep. This is the Ulster Blue Veronica. I just kind of picked all these out because they look like fireworks to me.
I think it's perfect. And one of them has a name that's kind of like
this one, it's actually the Firestar Dianthus.
Firestar.
Yep. And then this is going to be our Whirling Butterflies Gara. So they all have kind of weird names, and I bet their botanical names are much weirder.
Yes.
But this is the names that we call them here at the nursery.
I think it's beautiful. I love the colors. And do you choose them not only, I mean, they're perennials, but you want a mix of different heights, right?
Yep, this one is going to kind of give us a back. I figured we'd put it towards the back. It's going to kind of give us some movement and structure. These two I figured we'd kind of put up front, maybe this one towards the back a little bit. But yeah, you can kind of just play with it whenever you're planting, however you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I know I probably am not strong enough to lift this up. When you're picking a planter, how important is it to have holes in the bottom?
You have to have drain holes.
Yeah, I just have to say that.
Yes, if you don't.
The water has to go somewhere.
Has to go out. If you don't have the drain holes in the bottom, you're going to get root rot.
Yeah.
That is so bad for your plants, and you have to wash off the roots. You have to replace the soil. It is just not
It's a mess if they last through it.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so we've got our drain holes in there, and then what type of, I always wonder about this when I'm going out to get more soil. Like, do I need to get something that's enriched, or what, you know, is the regular dirt mix good? Like,
So we've got topsoil here at the nursery. We also carry Happy Frog here at the nursery, as well as our second location, Greenhouse and Gifts. This is good for houseplants or planters like this. So this one is a mix of both, but mostly our topsoil is what we're going to be using today.
And do we need to put rocks at the bottom to help with drainage?
Sometimes we can. We're not going to do it on this one just because these stay pretty well drained, but you can, if you want, put rocks. I've even heard pine cones is a new thing that people are doing. So just go to your backyard, pick up some stuff.
It's not as heavy then.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want me to move out of the way?
I got you.
Switch sides? Okay, I got the notes over here then.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so you're doing that first. And this is the Ulster Blue Veronica that we are going to do first. So you're only going to put how much in?
We're going to put about a 1/3 full on this pot. I don't know if, let me kind of flatten her out and see if that's enough. I'm going to get my hands dirty today. The nails are
I'm all in too. You tell me.
So I think about 1/3 full.
And then you put them in?
Yep, and then we're going to put them in.
And you level it out?
Level it out just like that.
Okay.
And let's start with our back one. Let's start with this white one here.
Do you want me to move Happy Frog?
Yeah, we can move Happy Frog.
Okay.
And one of the tricks my retail staff just taught me today, if you're having trouble getting these out of the pots, you can put it under your arm kind of like this if you're a little bit weaker. Give it a hug. Yeah, give it a hug. And then we're just going to dump this soil and all that into the pot. And then we're going to give the roots, you might get dirty, be careful.
Okay. You want me to do this part?
Yeah, you can do it.
Since I'm here.
So yeah, you're going to give the roots just a little bit of massage.
Now do I keep this chunk in there?
Throw it in there. It's all good soil. And
so
this one just got watered today.
And this helps to give them some room, right? Just some breathing room?
It's going to root better and go all the way down to the bottom of the pot. Just give it room to really expand.
Is that good enough?
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay. And then we're going to put that in the back there.
Way back?
Perfect. That's probably good. Yeah. I might even put some more soil in there too.
At the bottom?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I got that.
Okay.
What do you want next?
Up to you. You pick. Blue or
Ulster
red?
Blue. Do my hug?
Oh yeah, do your hug. It should be pretty well
It is.
loosened. There
I'm
we
sorry,
go.
we're gonna have to clean up after
There you
this.
go, there you go. Okay. I'll do this one, I'll do this one. There we go. So yeah, we're just gonna
I'll switch sides with you
massage
now.
this soil so the roots can kind of spread out in there. There we go. Okay, and I think we're ready for our red one.
Red one now, and which one was this one? The Firestar something?
Firestar Dianthus is this
Hug.
one. Give it a hug.
Am I doing it?
Yep, there you go. Should just pop right out of there. Perfect. Oh yeah. Let me make some room for you over here. I'll keep massaging these roots too.
Okay.
There we go.
That looks so good.
I love
you
that.
picked the perfect one.
So cute.
So then do we fill in
Exactly.
around?
Should I do this while you do that?
do that.
Okay.
And then, oops.
It is a nursery.
It's
we get
okay.
messy here. That's what
It's
we
all right.
always say.
And then, is that about, like, how many inches do we tell people from the top?
Right,
Like,
so we're gonna do about 1 to 2 inches just so when you water, it's not gonna overflow. Yep, that looks about good right there.
Is that good there?
Yeah, and then we can fill in on this side. These white ones, I will say you can bury them a little bit deeper just so they have that upright stance.
position, yeah.
Yeah, if you bring them too high to the top of the soil, they're not gonna stand
that
upright
good
for you.
enough there?
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
And then
we'll
we need
do
to
one
do-
more in the back over here. Let me turn the pot
There,
for you.
that's
There you go.
perfect. And then as soon as you plant them, you need to water them, right? They need to
Absolutely.
be watered right away.
We always say give them a good soak, and for this planter particularly, I would say even a gallon of water just to get everything settled in there. Oh,
I might need to like get these exact ones.
I love it.
love this.
Oh my goodness, I'm loving this.
My
actually.
husband's like, no. Don't
You
look
don't need
around
this
too
planter.
much. It's so pretty.
She's
Okay.
gorgeous.
So recap the different plants we used.
Okay, Ulster
this
Blue
down.
Veronica we've got here, Firestar Dianthus over here, and this is the Whirling Butterflies Gara.
Beautiful, Sue. And then you brought in some little trinkets.
We did. This is from our Greenhouse and Gifts location. This is gonna be our mud pie collection, and we're just gonna stick them right down in that soil. And we have some
They're
little...
so cute.
I love it.
I love it. Thank you so much, Sue. And I will break down all of the different plants for you again online, and we can post this on social media. So if you want to make this patriotic planter, we have it all lined up for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's what's worth knowing. Have a great week.